to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. Firstly, you should have the data. In this example, I'm using a data set of a student name and their corresponding marks. As you can see, there are duplicate entries for the name Anna with similar marks and also for Benjamin. Now let's remove the duplicates. Go to the data menu and you can find the data cleanup option. Click on remove duplicates. There you go, you have successfully removed the duplicates. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos.